The wind blows strongly in the foothills of the Yan Mountains in northern China. Under an ancient Neolithic dwelling, archaeologists dig up skeletons that were deposited more than 7,000 years ago. Thousands of kilometers north, in the Lake Baikal region, other groups of researchers study burials of similar antiquity, linked to hunter-gatherers who inhabited one of the richest ecosystems in Eurasia. If you are interested in history and archaeology, do not forget to subscribe and give like. Here we will explore discoveries that connect human communities separated by vast distances and times. For decades, it was considered that both worlds, separated by vast steppes, had nothing in common. However, DNA preserved in bones tells a very different story. Molecular fragments damaged by the passage of time reveal unexpected affinities between human communities. The analysis of 42 ancient genomes has made it possible to identify an active genetic corridor from the early Neolithic that linked Lake Baikal to the Yan Mountains region. This research redefines the demographic history of Northeast Asia, making the agropastoral zone a key space for long-term interaction. The Lake Baikal region occupies a key place in the prehistory of northern Eurasia. Cultural traditions such as Kitoi and Sarovo developed there, and genomic data show that these groups had an ancient Paleo-Siberian ancestry. The ancient Paleo-Siberian ancestry is characterized by a combination of genetic components. Its presence has been documented in southern and eastern Siberia for at least 14,000 years, which provides an important context for recent findings. The site of Sitaimenguiying in the province of Hebei is another important link. Analyses reveal that these individuals share a genetic profile closely related to early Baikal populations, which implies a migration or gene flow to the south. Genetic evidence shows that the early Neolithic Sitaimenguiying population inherited an ancient Paleo-Siberian component. This north-south interaction corridor was already operational 7,500 years ago, long before the expansion of pastoralism. The kinship analysis in Sitaimenguiying brings a social dimension to genetic evidence. 8 of the 11 individuals analyzed present first-degree relationships, indicating the practice of community burials and a complex social organization. The Zhangjialiang field offers a later perspective, showing a genetic profile that mixes components of Sitaimenguiying and agricultural populations of Shandong. This confirms the genetic integration between the north and the south. The study shows that the interaction between the steppe of Northeast Asia and northern China began much earlier than was supposed. The Yan Mountains region emerges as a key space for human and cultural exchange.